Viewers, we move down to Iweka Road to see exactly what is happening there since last time we visited. And we are going to show you what we see there in this video. Also, even at Upper Iweka Interchange, there is something happening there. I am not saying that the state cannot use local contractors to do their job, but please use serious people. Can you imagine this kind of a thing? Just imagine, this kind of unorganized, what would I call it? I don't know where they brought these people that are doing this in the village, that they went and brought these people. They came here and be messing up what people are doing in Onitsha, in our city. See beautiful buildings. Then people came here and be doing all this rubbish around that place. Please, the governor, or I don't know whether it's the local government that is doing this thing, please, in as much as people welcome development, they should not waste people's money. Please. I don't know what they take Anambrarians to be like, that people can come to public places and be doing whatever they want. Please let bulldozer come there immediately to level up those places. Let me see you at the main video so that we can talk properly. Thank you. Viewers, you are welcome to YangaLife channel, and it's me, Chinedu, your presenter. Well, I wish you a very happy new year and all the good things you wish yourself this year. I believe that by now you must have done your new year resolution or be on the process of doing one resolution. Some things that you say, I will not do this again, or I will do this, I will work towards this. Yes, that's how we know that we are progressing. Human beings are like that. That's the nature of human beings. Trying to move to higher grounds at every point in time, trying to develop yourself the more. That is the nature of human being. So I wish you all welcome to 2024. I believe that this is the first time that you are seeing my face and hearing my voice at the same time. Yes, other time you might be hearing my voice, but you have not seen my face in 2024. So I wish you guys all the success that you wish yourself. Nothing is unachievable. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. That's why the more of the white people are better than us, the blacks. Sorry for saying this, because it seems as if they understand these laws more than us. They understand humanity more than the blacks. But not all the blacks, but majority of the blacks. Let me just leave it at that and let us focus on what we came to do today. Yes, we are visiting Iweka Road, and honestly speaking, I'll be very blunt. Most times I used to be blunt. That has been the way I operate. But I wish to tell you that I don't see any seriousness along that Iweka Road now. Iweka Road, when you see it, you see what I'm talking about. It has been like that. And coupled with the fact that that thing we saw at the heart of Onitsha, Upper Iweka, in fact, is very disheartening. Very, very disheartening that such thing is happening in Onitsha at this point in time, at this year, that people are talking about saving money, not wasting money, that you see this kind of a thing going on. Where do they brought these people that is doing this thing? Are the government not aware that this thing is going on? Well, let's go to the field and have a critical look of what is going on. Thank you. Yes, we are right now at down flyover moving towards Iweka Road. and more streets towards main market. We want to have a review of this road and see how this road is. Hope you are aware, if you are familiar with this route, that the road has been cut off just a stone throw from here before the Ochanja market. So there is no way you can drive straight. You can either branch through the right and find your way to reconnect somewhere down there at Iweka Road. That is the only way to move. But honestly speaking, the way our people, government is making construction as if it's one big thing that is unachievable. Well, I feel sorry for all of us. It's a very unfortunate situation that up till now there is nothing serious on ground concerning this Iweka Road. Well, when we get there, you see by yourself. Though I wouldn't say that the governor is not doing his best, he's doing his best. But personally, this is not what I expected. I don't know whether I am reasoning along with other people or is it just I myself. Because since last year, early December last year, this place has been like this. Nothing has happened here, as if these guys were not mobilized, or is it that they were mobilized, they don't want to do the job? Which one is happening? Well, let's Yes, our cities don't need experimental job. Honestly speaking, there is no need doing all these experiments with public fund. Yes, what we need now is solid and job done once and for a very long time. The government will not talk of upgrading. Well, actually, this government, present government, may have been better than some, but we are talking about timing. This period, I overheard people saying that some northern states are far much better than most of these our eastern cities. You talk of cleanliness, you talk of standard work done, and the rest of them. Yes, you can verify it. Just do some little experiment and or the little inquiries and the rest of them. Let's see if it is true or not. Yes, I keep saying this thing. If the government is not ready to do any road, it's better they just leave it. Let people be managing the way they were managing ever since. When they are ready to do a road, let them come out and do the road to standard. And another thing, I said it earlier, I am not against local contractors. I prefer job and the money that will remain in this country. I prefer it. But the local contractor must be a serious person. I don't know where this problem is coming from. Is it that the major part of the money given to them has been, taken away from them, or is it that they are not competent? And if they are not competent, why giving them these jobs to do? Why? Yeah? You see drainages being done, rough work, open drainage, everywhere is messed up, debts everywhere. In fact, let's keep going. I've said it earlier, if the government don't have enough money, let them limit the number of projects that they are doing at every point in time, or you find a way to pay these people monthly. When federal allocation comes, you share to them their own portion, then work continues, instead of doing this kind of work in the name of that 200-kilometer roads we are tired, blah 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 blah. Please, we don't need these things now. We are above this kind of politics. Our people, we are being chased up and down everywhere they go. So why can't we make our place a better place, and one of the best places that somebody can come and do business? That's what we are known for. Igbos, we are known for not giving up. When it comes to trying to mess up with them, then they will come out and do what they know how to do best. I don't know. These people, it's better that they wake up now. Since they came and do this central demarcation and disappeared, nothing is happening here. Okay, how can you do such road without a functional drainage system? There is no digging of drainage system or anything. Or is it that they are going to dig it later, or what? Is it not now that they are supposed to remove all these shanties that are everywhere while this road construction is going on? I don't understand though. Governance is not a tea party. I know that our governor is trying his best, but this is not what we expected, honestly speaking. Well, let's keep going. Right now we are towards Mall Street, and later we are going to have a reverse view and we are going to Upper Iweka Interchange. Then you see for yourself what will I even call it that is going on there, because that is not construction. That is just, I don't know if they are learning how to lay blocks or they are learning how to arrange pipe, that these people came at the heart of Onitsha and be doing all those things. Well, I am highly disappointed. See road that was just tarred, see everywhere messed up, dead. Yeah, I don't know. Is it not better that the government should even suspend all the construction work and focus on cleaning our streets and our environment, removing shanties, cleaning the streets, and probably covering the drainage system, and suspend every construction work? Me, I will be happy if I see that done. They will focus on how to, package and manage waste in Anambra State and Southeast at large. Well, I don't know what you think, but if you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, and let's hear your view about this video. Please like this video and don't forget to share this video. Let others contribute their own voter by dropping their own comments, because we cannot leave this thing for ourselves alone. Let others bring their own suggestion and the way forward for Anambra State, Southeast, and Nigeria at large. Thank you. Let's keep going. Well, sometimes it looks as if we have not started yet. That's what it looks as if. But, however, one cannot do more than what he can do. But we can advise ourselves and see how we can move forward collectively. That is what we are saying. Well, you cannot move straight. You can only take somewhere from the left and divert off this Iweka road. This is in front of Ochanja Market. And the left side is the only way that is available that you can use to connect Upper Iweka Interchange once again. Yes, here you can see the connections that we are trying to make so that we can come out at Upper Iweka Interchange. Yes, from here we will reconnect to Iweka Road. And actually we have reconnected to Iweka Road, moving towards the interchange at Upper Iweka. Coming closer, and we observed this going on, we decided to have a critical and closer look of what is happening here. Honestly speaking, bulldozer should come here and remove all these things here. Let's move a little bit higher. Upper to the other side. This pattern is not even the pattern that P2B used in constructing the major one. They would have at least used that same pattern. Though the time P2B did this major, fencing and beautification of Upper Iweka Interchange, this place was omitted. This is the only place that was omitted. I don't know why they omitted here. So common sense should tell anybody that is coming here to do anything that he should do it in the same pattern that the other three was done. The other three has their own fencing and beautification. It's just this particular one that was not fenced and done. You see. So, but video may show you a reasonable understanding of what is going on, but if you're on the side, you will understand better what I am talking about. There is no justification changing this pattern into another thing that is not even organized. The blocks that were used, the laying of the blocks was not, organized. P2B used bricks and the combination of bricks and block to do their own or his own on the other side. But this one, I don't know where they brought these people that are doing this thing here. Okay, see the other one that Obi did. You can see the one that they are doing different pattern. See the one Obi did, very organized. The structure, if you look at it, you know that this is done by professionals. You can see the pattern, well organized, neat and fine, just that the environment is dirty. Okay, see the one here, just look at, very very disorganized something. You will not understand until you are here. You see this thing one-on-one here, but even though the video will give you a reasonable scene of it, just imagine, see, very very disorganized something. So it's better them to stop this work. Let them stop this work. You see the one P2B did down there. Are they not supposed to continue such thing up? What is happening? What is happening? See where Obi stopped, and of which I have said that he's supposed to complete the other side, but he did not complete it. I don't know why, but the other three patterns we are done and dusted. It's just this place, and see what they are doing here. The old ones were not fixed. Some broken places are there, they were not fixed. What I'm saying is that government should stop doing any new project in Anambra State. Let them maintain the old ones and keep them in shape. Maintain the environment, sweep our environment, maintain the old structures, and leave any new project. I think it's better that way than all this wasting of fund. Well, let's keep going. If you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video, and please don't forget to share these videos. I need to know what you think about this. I need to hear from you, your contribution on how to move our states and our region and Nigeria forward. Thank you.